This is how to write an ebook people will buy very fast. You can see this has 14 comments. You have to check the comments. Checking the comments, you can see these are recent comments and people are interested in the book. You can see interested, wow, very much interested. Can I get your number? Thanks. So now you can see that this is very, people are really interested in the book and this person is running ad. So what to do, you just to copy this as copy. If you copy it, you screenshot the book cover. Now we are going to Claude or ChatGPT. You can see anyone. Let's make use of ChatGPT to create this particular ebook. Now kindly open your ChatGPT, upload the screenshot. Here is the screenshot. How to upload the screenshot. Now paste the the hard copy. You have to delete those details. This is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. Make it, I say, generate this exact ebook as a Word document. Make it 20 point, body, text size, big headings and subheading. Use head color for the design. It should cover everything that will help the person cover more than, okay, it should cover what will help the person cover more than what was covered in the flyer and sales copy. It should be more than 50 pages. I'll send this to ChatGPT.
Now here is the book. The book has been generated as Word document. So let's open the book. Type 1, type 2, diabetes, and my god. So you have seen the book. The book is 106 pages. ChatGPT just created. So simple daily record. Choose your mail. So now it's time to create a book mockup or flyer. You need to upload the screenshot of the flyer. See the
Now the second one is our own flyer. It's now for us to start running ads